Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear or delete notification in LinkedIn. So first of all, open your LinkedIn application. Here on the bottom, you can see notifications. Click on it. So sometimes while applying for jobs, there must be a lot of notifications that might irritate you. So in order to delete them, just click on any of this three dot icon here. Here, select delete notification. So this is the way how you delete any notification in LinkedIn. This is the best way to manage your notifications and make a proper order of them. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you.